It is necessary that the readers and professors should understand that the modern written alphabet and names do not reflect the actual tongue and sound of names of the Paleolithic and Neolithic Igbo ancestors. Unnaitoli means 9 father. The modern Igbo number for 9 is called Itolu. In Igbo Bantusele family of word language, 9 is Itoli, not Itolu. For example, we have a town called Unnaitoli in the now Ouwarre state, and Unnaitoli means 9 town. Unna means father. Itoli is 9. Unnaitoli, now Italy. English, Unna is father. The AH from Unna represents father, while 9 from Unna and Itoli means 9. Nahi or 9 means 9. Unna is father. Chiso Mayu. Unna Ai Urobi, now Nairobi. Chiso Mayu. Unna Ai Urobi means the 9 father, the center town of Chiso Mayu.